Chia seeds are highly nutritious. They provide good amounts of calcium to the body. They are generally mistaken for basil, sabja seeds, but both are very much different from each other. Chia seeds have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties which fight acne, dry skin, wrinkles, and provide a healthy skin. Chia seeds promote bone health. Regular intake of chia seeds supports weight loss, reduces the risk of heart diseases. They regulate the blood sugar levels and keep diabetes in control. How to include chia seeds in your diet? You can either soak chia seeds in water or eat them raw. Sprinkle raw chia seeds on smoothies or salads or soups or yogurt. You can soak them in milk and make chia seeds pudding. You can mix the raw chia seeds in parathas, roti dough and dosa batter. You can also grind a little quantity with the regular chutneys you make. Always store chia seeds in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They stay fresh for a longer time.